Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to link PayPal friends and family to your store. So with that being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to just log in into your PayPal account, go to the PayPal website and log in with your credentials, and then just navigate to the account settings, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to access your account settings, and then just select my selling tools. In the settings menu, look for the my selling tools section to find options related to payment settings. And then you have to set up PayPal buttons or links. Choose to create a PayPal button or a link to your store. Select PayPal buttons and follow the prompts to create a button specifically for friends and family transactions. And then just embed the button link in your store. Copy the generated HTML code for a button or link and paste it into your store's website where you want to accept payments. And by following these steps, you can effectively link your PayPal friends and family to your store for transactions. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. Please leave a like. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.